Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Leach, and this is Spokes Puppy Monkey, and we're here to talk to you about how to raise newborn puppies. Presumably, if you're watching this, you don't have a mama dog, because the mama dog is the best dog to raise the newborn puppies, and she instinctively knows how to keep them clean, keep them fed, and there's quite a lot of work involved in raising newborn puppies. So if you don't have a mama dog, the most important thing to know is that these puppies can't keep their blood sugar up, they can't keep their body temperature normal, so they need to be kept clean, they need to be kept warm, and they need to be fed every 2 hours. Now, another important thing is that they cannot urinate or defecate on their own. So one thing that you will need to do is feed them, and we'll go in how to bottle feed, we'll discuss how to bottle feed a puppy, but after they're done eating, then you're going to need to take a cotton ball and stimulate them to go to the bathroom, because the mama dog licks the puppy and that stimulates the puppy to go to the bathroom. So after they've been bottle fed, you're going to take warm water on a cotton ball and just brush gently across the back end, across the vulva if it's a female, and across the rectum as well, to stimulate urination and defecation in the new puppy. Now let's talk about bottle feeding. Puppies and kittens, their mouth, they don't have teeth, and their mouth and their tongue form a suction, so they want to nurse, and that's how they nurse. Normally, in the best case circumstance, the puppies will have had a chance to nurse off the mama dog, because the most important nutrition is that first milk. It's called colostrum, and it has the antibodies that's going to protect the puppy for the first 6 weeks of life as the puppy starts developing its own and getting more through the milk, and also before it starts with its vaccinations. But if we don't have the mama dog, we've made up puppy milk, and the puppy nursers, the puppy milk is available in pet stores. The one thing about the canned puppy milk, it has an emulsifier in the can to keep it in suspension, and sometimes if the puppies are only eating the canned puppy milk, they will get diarrhea. If that's the case, you might try switching to half of the dry powder mixed with half of the canned and making up the puppy milk in that way, and the diarrhea should resolve. Another common reason for diarrhea is worms, and they should be dewormed by their veterinarian. But at 6 weeks, you're going to want to take the puppy into your veterinarian and discuss those issues. Now, to nurse on, the puppy is going to want to take the milk, and you're going to hold the puppy upright, because I don't like nursing puppies on their back, because it's just too easy for milk to go into the airway. If you're gurgling, if there's a lot of milk coming out of the side of the mouth, stop and listen, because sometimes puppies can get milk in their lungs, and if puppies get milk in their lungs, then they've got to see the veterinarian, because they can develop a pneumonia. So I like to feed the puppies upright, somewhat in a normal position, like a more normal position than they would do if they were nursing on their mom. Sometimes it's difficult to cut a hole in the tip of the bottle. We make a little X in the top. As the puppy grows, you can change the size of the opening in the top. For a larger puppy, you would want a pretty good flow, but as they're going to create a suction, and that's what's going to cause the milk to come out of the bottle. Make sure that air stays at the top so that they don't swallow air. So our puppy is nursing pretty well, and don't forget, after she's done eating, you're going to want to stimulate her to go to the bathroom with the warm water on the cotton ball, and you're going to want to feed newborn puppies every 2 hours. And so with that helpful advice, I wish you luck.